are going to recycle last year's bathing suit to make a bathing suit for our dolls. I have been working all morning on designing a simple bathing suit pattern, and I think we finally got one. If this works, we will make our pattern available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Place the pattern onto the swimsuit, trace around it using chalk, and now we can clearly see our pattern. Many bathing suits are lined, so we're being careful to only cut the top layer. Once it's been cut out, I take 1/8 inch elastic. We are going to sew it going right across the top. Now this is a very tricky fabric to work with, so you could sew it by hand so that you have more control. I'm doing a back stitch so the elastic remains stretchy, giving us a clean line across the top. Right here is where the legs go. I take more elastic and back stitch it around the edge. The key here is to take your time and make sure the stitches are evenly spaced and straight. Complete one side, then trim off the excess and start on the other. Once both sides are sewn, lay it so the good side is facing up, fold it in half, lining up the elastic at the hips, then sew it together at the sides. To close the bottom of the bathing suit, turn it right side out, cut a long piece of elastic, find the center, place it in the middle of the back, begin stitching it using a back stitch across the back and up the side. Tie and knot the end, allowing the excess elastic to hang over. Continue sewing along the other side so the elastic makes a trim going all the way around. Flip it inside out, place it on the doll, take the elastic over the shoulders, crossing it in the back. Using a needle and thread, stitch them into place to attach the straps. Flip it inside out to make a bathing suit that fits our curvy and classic Barbies and fresh dolls. Yay! So our pattern worked! We will make it available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. For a little extra, trace a large rectangle onto the fabric, carefully cut it out, sew elastic or ribbon across the top and bottom to make a matching towel. According to Barbie Style on Instagram, it's the look for this season. Thank you for joining us while we made bathing suits and matching towels for our dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at myfroggystuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Want to give a shout out to Jamie's Dollyverse. What's up? First day of summer vacation. I'm showing off my one-of-a-kind bathing suit made by my fairy crafter. Victoria's bathing suit looks a lot like mine. Hey Sophie, nice bathing suit.